Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and look what I've got for sale. It is a Kawasaki Ninja 650. If you've got an A2 license, this is a fantastic bike to have it with. Sticker restrictor kit on it, and it is an absolute belter. Great looks, modern technology. Loving it. This one's a 2018 18 plate. It's done 12,480 miles. They come with a digital display with an analog rev counter there. Tells you what gear you're in. It's a belter. Look at that. ABS to boot. Only aftermarket part on this is the old tinted screen on the front. Really does actually change the front. It's great. Let's give it a start up. Let's hear the monster. What a belter of a bike. Honestly, you just pass your test. Great commuter, parallel twin engines, mega fun. Anyway guys, you've seen the bike. All you need to do, pop down at Jordanbikes, just give us a call.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call. We can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring. You know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.